Sup, dumela ba boko ga ikere lo mogelesegele vievi it's a girl Tina Caro and this is CMTV #niyathembana ke ngwanyana o a ke tsene gape ke qi fana ga ke tla go tsena gape mo di relationship ntse ding mo iskat saga it's either ke a kopantsa re ka gaogana mara ntse di snacks so bana motshito na ke bopatle pantsi bofebe pantsi ntshela mora gore tsene straat ntse gore what's happening yo tlame I wonder guy are go batla tlamene and see what's happening. Dumela maboko go ga ikere lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Tina Caro and this is CMTV my skat kemo ni athembana na ntse ba ka couple teaching phones my skat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strating re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshela morago ntsi
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibamba izivuke ndzayimela mina lona
indaba yaziwenzakalani
lo kusendela mabele
ari ngutle pele
what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
bathi akithola pisha ke monna
welele sweet baby akubelele magembare abona mbonduka mina gane no mbona ntse so awuri boni le bukharo phela
ke di boni go gym
uri boni go gym ku sai ina tsaka triple tag ne tsa ke phone
te
5 ne Dumelang. My darling, na ke rate up and hill. How are you? Nami ngiyaphila. Ngicela ukukhuluma nawe.
Ungakhuluma sisi?
Ngiyacela ukukhuluma lwena.
Okay, ukhuluma sama.
Mina ngisuka eCMTV nje. Ngithanda ukukhuluma nabantu bathandanayo. Niyathandana?
Siyathandana.
Wena wawuvuma wena buthi wayuthulile.
Mujathandana lena.
Wathandana. Alibitso lawo ke mansisi. Unonkululeko umXhosa.
Ngumzulu.
Umzulu. Oh benicimba umXhosa. Cause unele uyabona? Vele ngathi ngathi uyatshelana ne. That's good. And wena ukwana mabuthi? Itumeleng. From where buthi Itumeleng?
Ketla Orlando West.
Orlando West Soweto. Okay, wena usuka phi buthisi?
Orlando West.
Now awuthi kwaNatal kwaZulu.
kwaNatal esemsinga sisi.
Emsinga. Uyani nekhaya December kiye?
Siyahamba nje ngoDecember.
Oh December. Banjani ekhaya?
Ba right.
Ba right ne. Ani mind ukuthi sidlala igame for 60 seconds abusisi. Sisi nobuthi.
Hiking.
Ani jive ne. Ani mind.
Mobe gaming nankinga phela.
Okay, enthi ngibuze ke nesikhathi sengakanani John?
Sina 6 months.
Okay, kusase fresh ne. Ubuthi Tumele, what is it that you love about your woman?
Ungihlokometse wes.
Uhlokometse. Wetsang so? Go irela tingi. What is it that you love about your person?
Kunesikhathi sami Melengi mangicala ngithi ini mangidinga ini nje hayi
uvela athi
yabo
he's always there futhi yakubhecha uyabona ukuthengela izinto ngithi you guys have a child no you don't have I mean it's been 6 months you're not pregnant mhlambe
hayi sithanda sami
ngiyabuza nje nicalile ngosukupractice izinto
siqalile mara ngithi kumele uyazi ukuthi emhlabeni ama jeans ngithi uyabaza ngithi kanjani
ayizana ama jeans
Phela ukhumbula ukuthi khona abanye bebathatha
usabani
khona abantu abathatha kade
usabani from jeans
usabani abathatha kade thola ukuthi uslow or maybe mina ngislow catch or yena uslow ukuthi yabo
hayi khona akona into ewa everyone is smart emhlabeni we all smart in our own ways
There
are people that do you abona motho a kena le matric or eng mara ke flower girl you know like you florist and they do better than somebody who is a doctor you know everybody have their own thing and put fela yalo gonna yalo batho so lo plan go mo chateleng now you invite nna ke batla tshwara khia ka biring
ke tla invite
lo go chatan leng ge sunsun
le ka re fa mhlomong 2 or 3 years
2 or 3 years ko pa remele mo ne retse faster dlali game alo mind akere ko pa kena mo gare ngicela nje ungena ko pa eme mo buti hanyane fela ne alo mind so nna ke tsoko show ngebe bitsang couple switching phones niyathembana na ungalimalelani
okay sis
niyathembana na we switch phones for 60 seconds nomuntu wakho sibone ukuthi ubani uchitayo
okay
I'll mind ngithi wena mind wena buti Tumele
yes
hey buti Tumele what are you trying to say now Bring the phone. What do you, how suspect something or about on phone? Because we don't for 60 seconds phone in like 1 minute. Let.
Let's phone.
Mfaza too late.
Go fela motse.
How feel 6 months? Rates are strong. Let. Thank you. Allowing I so qala ngefuna kabani? Qala ka manje
Ayitumeleng.
Qala ka.
Aluvumalani. Kita choose or qala ka manje.
Asiqale ngeyakho.
Kita choose or qala ka manje. Kita choose because kisenza something one thalwai. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zinel Caro. This is CMTV and Yatembrana Ngipeti Power Miskat. Right, so I get to rese gonna munati. It's all about to go bananas. All she be lo show lo to mo relationship in sterk.
Hey, o tla bona la teng wa tsena.
Ke tse ke bona re ke nke phone mang. Phone mangi.
Ke aka.
Re tsala ka ya hao. Go bontsharele mo glance. Ke tsala ka phone hae. All right, you don't mind go re keneng yana kopa o ke etse password ya hao.
Okay.
Number yana. Why? Kopa kene mo WhatsApp. Why number ngaka?
Ay manamba nje manamba phone yabo.
Nyama na mfuna ka bani?
Awam.
Okay, kena mo WhatsApp, all right. Ngicela untypele I miss you. Ukona umuntu mhlambe ummisayo ngidlula umuntu wakho?
Hayi akekho.
Serious?
Akekho.
Awuna ngwana?
Oh.
All right. No, there's nothing. Ngisho outside the relationship though. Okay. I love you. All right. How long have you been single for before uhlangana naye?
Ngina 2 years.
It was long yana ne. Oh, there is nothing. Butumza. Why ulisha paso umoya wakho phansi? Ngicela uncheckele I pregnant. Are you trying to get pregnant?
Sizozama.
Wena have you been trying though? Isifiso sakho?
Yeah, isifiso sami.
Ufuna abantwana abangakanani?
Abayi-10.
Ke tla go.
Go tlo sebediwa jo. A qeta mo lo sebetsa jo. What? Kuponche ke le nudes. Be sure. What about 10? Udlala ngami ne?
Hayi ke mampela.
5 girls, 5 boys.
Good. Ngithi netimba le netball,
Yeah.
soccer.
Hayi nemali guys. Those people are expensive.
Maybe.
Those people are expensive. Okay, Tumza. Those people. Yo, ngicela uncheckele nudes. I just want to be sure nje yabona.
Okay, sis.
You don't mind Musne. You guys nemali. Yazi umuntu abantwana baba. Dura kanjani?
Soyibhajathela sana sami.
Hayibo. And sisi wena una amanye ama app mos. Cala ungena ama picture. Oh. You guys been taking pictures now? How sendidi nudes nyana? How spice up the relationship nyana? Kadi nudes.
Eish. I get sometimes utla spice umunga maybe high heart.
Or sinini ngwabona wa trenda mo because these days o trenda easy. Utabona ilimo. Utana ku TikTok ilimo. Okay. Alright, phone now it doesn't actually have much. It doesn't have a lot of apps. Is it new? It doesn't even have a lot of apps. It doesn't have that much. Even I'm a picture. Who has 16 pictures on their memory, my sister? When are you deleting?
I can delete. Some not come can go history.
History?
Yeah.
Amaru wanangaro delete anyway.
I take it delete.
One believer or I delete.
I don't say.
I say him. Asazi when I check a phone now, tell unlock it. When out of 100, how much do you trust your person?
90.
Why is she only 10%?
Who's up, baby?
Yeah, why is she?
Inokungabazanyana.
Wakabakanyang.
Yeah.
Saramo. All right. Ngicela ukuthi ngene WhatsApp. How much do you trust your person out of 100?
I know say 100.
I say 100 ne. Mara unosamuthembisa inhle ne.
Yeah.
Umuthapa I love you mo. Unosamuthembisa inhle ne.
I next time send this is.
Anakubayizisa.
Hayi.
Why ubayizisa?
Okay, so na lo ndo ubali mabaka kusawa utlwi ngoba.
Mara achita ke re wa utlwa mmona. I love you. How? Dicala nyana fela. Yanu libitso la ka. Dineo. Kima why or Dineo kima?
Akimitsi Dineo.
Not me, my darling. You sing na.
Akimitsi Dineo.
How me to Dineo? Lava fela ne? It's possible.
How na Dineo mo for dunya.
Kiyo. Kimango. Kima. Kima. Okay. Arete, I miss you. Sorry, delete mo. Let's I miss you. So. Dineo. It's singing not me.
No.
Dineo, umisa Dineo, o lava Dineo. Ska tswara pele. O batla go chaza maybe or Dineo ke ma.
Akimitsi Dineo.
Kanjani?
Type a nudes maybe. Type a nudes. Why someone say Dineo ke ma? Abuti tumelo o sfebe.
Next jour.
O febe ne.
Someone.
O febe ne.
See someone.
O febe. King. Dineo, I even feel when you feel like I'm going to rata Dineo.
Dineo ba?
Mucho rata Dineo. I get to remove phone lene. I get to phone la Dineo and see what's happening. Arbone number type number Dineo. About to kaze kim phone. I come phone na. I go sing it. I can we just wanna prove Dineo ke mang. Re tsame peaceful. Na ke gatetse di buti di ntshubile, you know. Like I'm really tired. Hello. Hello, Dineo le kae? Nami ngiyaphila. Oh, God, sorry. Dineo wants Zulu. Dineo wants Zulu. Okay, uyamazi uButi Tumeleng?
Yebo ngiyamazi.
Umazi kanjani uButi Tumeleng uSisi Dineo?
Umuntu wami.
Yebo. Okay, I've got another news here. uButi Tumeleng ulineska umuntu msiZulu. Lina lina kwa ile jola Dineo.
Yes, now 1 year.
1 year. Okay, I have news for you here because uButi Tumele has somebody here with. And they're dating. You can say hello to the lady. Uti mchele umuntu ajol. Ni share into bachele unti na share.
Hello.
Hello.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Nami ngiyaphila. Anything baneseno anything meseno itumeleni iqale nini?
Siqale la sesinesikhathi. Itumeleni umuntu wami kahle kahle. Angazi ke wena wayunguza.
Uyakuphika uyitumeleni.
Hayibo ungiphika kanjani bathi itumeleni?
Itumele kuphelini. Okay. Uchuza bani manje? Uchuza bani fast. Mina ngimele ngithi ngihambe uchuza bani between uSisi. Uchuza bani no Dineo. Yeah, nami ngiyavuma di. Uchuza bani?
Uyaphendula
Kanjani?
Do you choose Dineo?
Choose kanjani ngamazi Dineo.
Uyawazi.
Angimazi mina.
Hayibo.
Awungazi.
Hayibo itumeleni.
Hlanyisi tu.
Hlokala ukuhlanyisa Dineo.
Itumeleni.
Ngikwazelaphi mina?
Ungazelaphi? Besikuphizolo njengoba uzongibuza ukuthi ungazelaphi.
Yo. Hayi belishuba neDineo. Nililu omunye phezu komunye izolo.
Ngizomtshela kanjalo uDineo wakho.
Namhlanje la uphika.
Uyana uchoose mang between Sisi le Dineo.
Nakudala inkulu. Akimithi na Dineo.
Aruna le motho are akakufuni Dineo are intakman.
Hayibo njani?
Athi akakufuni Dineo akakufuni. Athi uvoma.
Hayi angangihloleli.
Angithi awumfuni, umtshele uthi awumfuni.
Mfethu angikwazi mina.
Mutshela uthi awumfuni.
Angikwazi.
Mutshela uthi akumu.
Angimfuni kanjani umuntu engamazi.
Mutshele ke.
Uyena kwaza la?
Mutshele. Murora mutshele.
Mtshele.
Aweraga mfuni.
Mtshele.
Mfethu ngingangizwa.
Mutshele
uri awumfuni. Mutshele.
Ngikutshela ukuthini mina ngazi.
Tshela umfuni. Mutshele.
Awungazi.
Ngikwazela.
Sifuna impendulo hayi ungazi
Mutshele.
Ungazelaphi? Wayengaso Itu.
Itu mtshela uthi awumfuni.
Pendula.
Mtshela uthi awumfuni.
Mfethu angikwazi ukufuni ne.
Yeah.
Angikwazi ukufuni.
Abakufuni dineo lokuthi lware abathi relationship lwena vele futhi unithumila athi ngithi kakman le relationship iphelile.
Uyekubhizi kumtypela
And athi uyekele ukumtypela lokumfonela agri.
Ukuyeke uzwele.
Okay, akunankinga.
Okay, bye bye.
Uhlala wazi ukuthi uItu indoda yami and uzobuya kimi futhi.
Hayi sokwesibone mntaka sekhaya sokwesibone mntaka sesi.
Utlalla liro.
Sibone.
Sizobona.
Hayi sokwesibone mntaka sesi.
Utlalla le khadima.
Sizobona.
Okay, bye bye sis. Okay, bye bye sis. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, kunzima. What's going to happen to the relationship? It's your phone, Musne. No, this one is ours. What's going to happen to the relationship, Manch? You are speechless, sis.
Angikho speechless ne. Wena kuzophuma kuyo ukuthi uyayiqoqa ngokwenzani Ntumeleng.
Uyayiqoqa or kanjani? Because ungishilo Dineo.
Qoqa jwang sayithi index yakho.
Dine, tlogela ba in denial ha o itu.
Kanjani?
Stop being in denial. Stop being in denial. We can finish this thing now. Me I must go. Yo.
Jwang.
Wena uyithi.
Akere o qetile taba Dineo. Nna ke o thusitse we qetile. Wena sa o go bua le mosadi wa hao lokise dilo le be right. Akere.
Hayi kodwa mina nginazi dineo.
Hey banna. Ha o sentsa.
Uthi abe violent ne.
Yo wa khana monna.
Sofuthi umuntu abe violent manje.
Ungabe violent. Unga iqoqelwe wena.
So ilasa ngibuza ukuthi as from now ushizilo Dineo wakho asayikho into osozokhuluma naye.
Akekho ngikhuluma nomuntu ke.
Akekho kuphi?
Uyaphika namanje. Uyaphika namanje.
La lihlangana khona.
Namanje uyaphika. Hey man, ukuthi
Yini namasande nayashisa nje.
Lungisa ngizinto zenu ke.
Ngiyabuza yini namasande nayashisa na. Kanaba njani vele amadoda?
Ha not include amadoda bonke. Hayi indoda yami. Hayi abundlamini nabo crazy. Mawulwana indoda yakho ulwe nendoda yakho kwa. Hawu.
Phika futhi namanje.
Uyabona umamela abantu basimoshela la sisitholela kamnandi kanje.
Uyaphika namanje. Sisithatha indoda yakho nikhulume. Niyathandana musi. Nake nahana hore wa hopola skipa miskate o sala ka ono roko ba kaela hore ke eng cross my heart.
Ke type elwanang.
Ke a bona.
Akelwana.
So nna ke vele ke kgathale tla because wa phika until na type eso ya monna.
Mama wana likopana.
And bali baliphe omunye kupheze komunye. Yeah. Omunye nedi usethi uphika le ndo.
Asamthi.
Hey yo okuthi speak. Oh,
asabi.
Konje imilo lakwa yalo yakho.
Asoba
Bye bye. Ngeke kuba nenkinga. Ngeke kuba nenkinga. Ngeke inkinga ebakhona.
Abantu abasile.
Hayibo. Skalalwana.
Abantu abasile.
Ngayiya umbhakela abantu
Uzile ngathi uDineo ubani?
Ubani uDineo?
Samfika uDineo wena manje. Yeah?
Sokhuluma sathi.
Bani uDineo? It's not me. It's not me. Sonke zinalima type guys. Rotary nal di type. Na kwa ngutla mile read the situation or ayeke type ama. It's not me. Nah, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. Guys, nta akhana waphika ari wakhana hathi Dineo. My name is Dineo Caro and this is Glams. See you again on another day, another episode. Please do love, subscribe and do everything. CMTV Nyathembana.
Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegile via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na ntse ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke a re lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithunga liba luba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ngizayimela mina lo nto
indaba yaziwenzakalani
lokusendela amabele
ari ngutwe pele
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years and
bathi
nna ke tla pisha ke monna